Hello everyone, John here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, right off of Cray Lake Highway, to get a chance to talk to you about our amazing 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24CB floor plan. Great full body paint, upgrade alkali wheels around, auto leveling system there for you, massive power awning, easy access to the roof, onboard solar, 2,000 watt inverter already built in. The Leisure Travels have a great reputation and a great quality craftsmanship. This Unity is a really nice interior layout. With the 2020 floor plan, you do get the updated safety features on the chassis. You are going to have your face-to-face dinette that is easy to convert to another bed. Lots of overhead storage. Captain chairs that do swivel around. 10-inch navigation display, adaptive cruise control. The other option that was added is a built-in safe there for you for your belongings. Solar charger controller in the front corner, and all your major systems right up above the main entryway for your inverter, auto leveling, infotainment center, JBL sound system that is easy to turn around. Solid countertop surface, 2 stove top gas burner, drop-in stainless steel sink. You are going to have your Dometic refrigerator there for you, convection microwave, corner bed, very easy to gain access to even with the slide in, and restroom next to it. Dome for extra headroom if needed. Fantastic fan. So if you have any questions, want to come down and look at this one in person, come here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. Get a chance to take a look at our 2020 Leisure Travel Unity, and I'll see you then.